I'm Gary Williams, attorney at law and the founder of the law firm for Family Law. I created this law firm for the specific purpose of allowing me to bring together the right mix of people and the right mix of resources so that we can assist our clients in dealing with times of financial crisis. Be it a divorce, a paternity action, problems with child support, or the death of a loved one. The law firm was created to assist people with the challenges and difficulties that come with the occurrence of any of those issues. Having personally dealt with a number of family law issues myself, I understand how important it is that you have someone you can talk to when the need strikes. I have hand-selected a number of associates and paralegals to work at the law firm for Family Law, specifically based upon their understanding of how important it is for us to be able to assist our clients in dealing with the difficulties that they're facing. Every member of the staff at the law firm for Family Law understands that our mission is to assist our clients in dealing with the challenges they face with professionalism, compassion, and integrity. Please take a look around the website and find the areas which are of most interest to you, and then call us at the law firm for Family Law and see how we can assist you in dealing with the crises you face.